Because the mind is shifting and shifting and shifting focus, it does not know which way to build. The very life within you is confused. At least 95% of the human energy is wasted, is simply wasted because most human beings cannot hold anything in their focus. Today it is also a scientific fact, but this is the experience of every yogi, that in this existence, there is energy and there's consciousness. There is no such thing as physical matter. You are not doing the Surya Namaskar to build muscle. If you have to know the energy, right now it's concentrated in the form of this body. Only if you use it in a certain way, it'll crackle. Otherwise, it'll sit like a lump of earth. If this has to sit here and crackle, then it has to be kept in a certain way. If your energies can crackle and your mind is focused, then this will just build in that direction. Because the mind is shifting and shifting and shifting focus, it does not know which way to build. The very life within you is confused, it doesn't know which way to go. At least 95% of the human energy is simply wasted because most human beings cannot hold anything in their focus for any substantial amount of time. Otherwise, each of them would be opening up a new window, a new door to something else. 7 billion people, if they had all had their minds and consciousness focused, everything, just everything have to yield. Nothing would be unexplored, just everything. If one keeps his mind, his energies and his consciousness organized in one direction for a certain period of time, he not only realizes the nature of this life, the past 84 creations that have happened, they are also here. Everything could be explored by human consciousness. It is not about what you're doing, it is just that you're doing it in an unwavering way. Every day you are off and on, doesn't happen. You just unwavering, you become one-pointed. It doesn't matter what it is, just not wavering for a moment. What you have decided in a moment of clarity and joy, just sticking onto it without wavering a little bit, nobody can deny it to you. Every day when your thoughts and emotions fly this way and that way, you keep changing your mind, changing your mind, changing your mind, you will go in circles, endlessly in circles. Because one who changes direction too often obviously is not interested in going anywhere, isn't it?
In this fast-paced world we have created, we are only going to feel more overwhelmed by the directions and distractions we are pulled toward. With increasing demands, sustaining and improving focus on things that matter is getting tougher and tougher. Therefore, it is more important than ever to learn how to improve focus. Here are 7 ways to learn how to improve focus that you can start applying today. Number 1. Have a plan you feel clear about. Number 2. Set your mood and environment. Number 3. Impose time limits for distractions. Number 4. Practice meditation and mindfulness. Number 5. Schedule planning, review and recognition periods throughout your day. Number 6. Create goals that satisfy your highest priorities. Number 7. Transform information to make things more interesting.